The first winter storm moving through tomorrow night will produce very gusty winds initially out of the south and then out of the north on Friday at times 40 to 50 miles per hour. And the second storm could have even stronger winds. More on that after the break.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-Degree Guarantee, sponsored by Habush, Habush & Rotier.
After freezing rain and then some snow, the sun is now starting to come out across much of northeast Wisconsin, and temperatures are responding. We've got mid to upper 30s from the Fox Valley west. In Sturgeon Bay, with mostly sunny skies, the temperature is 32 degrees. In Green Bay, we're looking at a mixture of sun and clouds and gusty northwest winds close to 30 miles per hour. You can see that large area of light snow moving across the area during the morning and early afternoon. Things are drying out now off to the north and west, and we will have dry weather for the rest of tonight and for most of tomorrow as high pressure builds in from the central plains. Underneath that ridge of high pressure today, we had temperatures that were in the upper 30s to lower 40s, and that's what I'm expecting for Thursday afternoon, which is pretty close to normal. You can see a lot of sunshine is expected before the next winter storm arrives tomorrow night. We've got winter storm watches and warnings across northern Wisconsin and the UP. Blizzard warnings have been issued for the Arrowhead of Minnesota. You can see dry weather for most of Thursday, but by tomorrow night, another batch of snow will overspread the area. That snow could fall heavily at times as we head throughout the night into Friday morning, especially north of Green Bay. South of Green Bay, we could have more of a wintry mix, and that'll cut the totals down just a bit. I think 6 to 10 inches is likely here across parts of northern Oconto County, Marinette County, up into the UP. There will then be a band of 3 to 6 just south of that. And then from roughly Green Bay to Shawano south, it looks like 1 to 2 to 3 inches of snow can be expected. So far, our biggest snowstorm this entire winter has only been 5.9 inches. That is pretty weak considering this is the state of Wisconsin and we're known for our winters. You got to go back a couple of years to find the last big one. 16.1 inches. That was in January of 2024, but we have the potential for a big-time winter storm as we head through Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday. Heavy snow and blizzard conditions are expected across much of the upper Midwest. You can see this graphic kind of showing you what I'm expecting here. Obviously, the threat of heavy snow, maybe some thunder snow. Snowfall rates 1 to 2 inches per hour, possible on Sunday into Monday morning. Strong winds gusting out of the north and east at around 50 miles per hour. That could produce power outages. Dangerous traveling is expected for much of Sunday into Monday with whiteout conditions and blowing and drifting snow and significant accumulations. I got to tell you, I've been forecasting the weather here in northeast Wisconsin for 30 years. I have never seen the computer forecast models show this much snow this close to the storm. The last thing that would be comparable to this would be the blizzard back in April of 2018. Here's a look at the top 5 biggest snowstorms on record, and I'm just throwing that out there. Just letting you digest that. All right, your forecast for tonight calls for clear skies with overnight lows around 20 degrees. Tomorrow, we will see sunshine and then sun and clouds, and then snow develops after sunset. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 40. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Crivets Area Community Pantry. And we did that today. I forecast a high of 34. So far, the high has been 35 degrees. Your 7-day forecast calls for that snowstorm Sunday and Monday. I think a good starting point is probably around a foot of snow, and then we'll go up from there. I will obviously be updating the forecast as we get closer to this significant event after much colder weather moves in for Monday and Tuesday.